So we've been thinking in RE about authority, and authority is the power to give orders to someone. And you had a think about, last lesson, different people who give us orders or who tell us what to do, who have authority over us. But today we're thinking about if it is always the right thing to do what they say. Because sometimes people tell us to do something that isn't a good decision. But sometimes they tell us something that is the right thing to do. So let's have a think of some different scenarios when we should do what people say and when we shouldn't do what people say. So, Miss Olsen, if someone told you to run outside with no coat or shoes on when it's raining, should you do it?
Now, if I go outside with no coat and shoes on, I would have done the right thing because I would have listened to the person that's telling me what to do. But I know that I shouldn't go outside without a coat and shoes on. So have I done the right thing? I don't think I would do that. I think I would get very wet and cold, so I'm going to say no, I wouldn't do that.
I think that is an example of a time when you shouldn't listen because that person, maybe they haven't realised that it's raining. So in that case, you know it's better to not listen. How about if someone told you that if you were talking when the teacher was trying to talk to you and your friend was telling you to stop talking, should you listen to your friend?
Well, if I was talking while the teacher was trying to talk, that would be distracting other children from their learning and it wouldn't be showing respect. So, yes, I would listen to them because it's the right choice.
Good. So we should listen to our friends if they're telling us something that will help us with our learning that's listening to the teacher, but we shouldn't listen if they're telling us to do something silly outside. Can you think of any other things, Miss Olsen?
What if your friend said to you, let's go out into the toilets and have a water fight? What would you do?
Ooh. I know that my teachers wouldn't like it if I did that, so I shouldn't listen to my friends because it's not a sensible thing to do.
I think that's a good choice. Well done, Miss Forrest.
So really, with all of these situations, all you need to remember is, I think, if it is a silly choice or if it's a sensible choice, or if it will not keep us safe or if it will keep us safe. So if it does keep us safe and it's sensible and it's showing respect and all our other Vigo high five rules, then it is probably the right thing to do. But if it doesn't follow those things, then it's probably the wrong thing to do.